Experiencing dropped Wi-Fi calls on T-Mobile? Here's the immediate fix. Most drops stem from router settings, especially frequency band issues and quality of service QoS configurations. Start by updating your router's firmware. T-Mobile pushes compatibility updates, so this is crucial. Next, check your Wi-Fi band. While 5 GHz is faster, Wi-Fi calling prefers the 2.4 GHz band for its stability and better wall penetration. Force your device to use 2.4 GHz in your router settings or potentially via the T-Mobile app. Lastly, disable QoS in your router settings, as it can sometimes throttle VoIP traffic inadvertently. These steps address the most common causes of dropped calls. If issues persist, continue to the next section. If basic fixes didn't resolve Wi-Fi calling drops, explore advanced router configurations. Start by ensuring your router uses WPA3 security for enhanced protection against network threats. Enable Universal Plug-and-Play, or UPnP, which allows seamless port forwarding for VoIP traffic without manual configuration. To reduce interference, optimize your router's channel selection, particularly avoiding overcrowded 2.4 GHz bands, common in urban areas where many networks compete for the same frequencies. For larger homes or multiple devices, consider a mesh Wi-Fi system like Google Nest or Eero, which provides seamless roaming and reduces dead zones that can cause calling drops. Looking ahead, AI-driven routers are emerging that automatically optimize frequency bands and quality of service settings for VoIP traffic, eliminating manual adjustments. T-Mobile's partnerships with Starlink may enable seamless handoffs between cellular and satellite networks in the future, further improving reliability. Remember, all these solutions require a stable internet connection with at least 1 to 2 Mbps upload speed and low latency under 100 milliseconds for reliable Wi-Fi calling performance.